Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and have a first look at this Panasonic Eluga X1 Pro smartphone, and it says powered by AI technology. Looks like they have some intelligent assistant in that, and this is how the device actually looks. And if you go towards the back, it says that it has that 19:9 notch design, and it's actually powered by the MediaTek Helio P60 chipset, which is octa-core chipset, and it's a pretty good chipset. Has a 6.18 inch screen, and looks like the one they have sent us is the 6GB RAM that comes with 128GB of storage. I believe there is also one more variant that comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, dual camera and other stuff. And guys, as it's a review and the pricing is removed, so let's quickly just open up the seal and have a look. I'll have the info regarding the pricing and availability etc in the YouTube description area. So let's open up the box. So this just comes out and we get this. This is surprising, we never used to see this. So he's making your smartphone smarter. So it has that Arbo hub, that AI assistant that I was talking about. So they have that. That's what it is. So let me keep that to the side. And we have the smartphone itself in this. And it does have some weight, and I believe it has a stainless steel coating or something like that. And it also has wireless charging. This is very surprising. I didn't expect wireless charging in these mid-range smartphones. And also I've heard that the face unlocking, it also has IR emitters, so it will work in pitch darkness. So that's what it is. And as you can see, IR face unlock, it says over here. So let's keep this to the side for now, and let's see what else do we get in the box. So we have a box within a box, and we have a screen guard, also some paperwork, warranty guide and all those things. Let me keep these things to the side. We get the SIM ejector tool here, and we have a lot of boxes. I don't know why like this. So we also have a headset, a cable, and a wow, OT. So it's having a USB Type-C cable side. As you can see, looks like it doesn't have the headphone jack, so we get an adapter here, USB Type-C. Nice to see USB Type-C at least on this one. And we also have a headset. I didn't expect that. So as you can see, in your style headset that you are having. And again, it also has buttons here to take or end calls. And this might be the charging brick. And as you can see, the charging brick is not that big, guys. It's a 5-volt 2-amp charger, so a regular charger that we are getting. So let's keep these things to the side and let's look at the handset itself. So here is the handset. We also have one more what do you say, a sticker over here. Again, that glossy piano finish that we are getting. And I believe this rim, actually the external rim, is made up of stainless steel, just like the iPhones. Hence we have that a little bit of heft weight to the device. And in fact, if you look at it, it sort of resembles the iPhone 10. Even from the back, the camera layout is like that. It doesn't jut out like the iPhones, but yeah, that's what it is. Fingerprint scanner here at the back, Panasonic branding. Let me give you a physical overview. On the top, actually we have nothing, and here we have the volume rocker, which give actually very good tactile feel. Power on off button. Build quality, actually they have done a very good job, I have to say. It looks and feels very premium. We have two vents. We'll have to check which one is the speaker. USB Type-C port, so nice to see USB Type-C port. And here we'll have the SIM tray. Let's have a look at it. Might be a hybrid solution. So yeah, looks like that. So it's a dual SIM slot that you're having, or you can use it like a hybrid SIM. But the 6GB variant is actually having 128GB of storage. So that's what it is. And let me actually try to boot this device. And by that time, let me give you a configuration overview. This Panasonic X1 Pro is having a 6.18-inch Full HD Plus screen protected by Gorilla Glass. It has the Helio P60 chipset, which is an octa-core processor. It comes with 6GB of RAM that has 128GB of storage, and the 4GB RAM model will have 64GB of storage. It also has IR sensors for face unlocking. Moving to the rear-facing camera, it's a dual camera setup, 16 megapixel plus 5, and it has a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. It also has a fingerprint scanner, wireless charging, and a 3000 milliamp hour battery. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device. So this is how it is, and we have a bunch of folders, and as you can see, it is pretty responsive, the phone itself. But this is the new kind of UI that you're having. On left we have the Google Now pane, and if you go here, actually nothing much, and we just swipe from bottom to get to all the apps. So not exactly stock Android, I would say, but the functionality is similar to that. And if you go over here, we have the quick toggles and other stuff over here, and it's already installing some stuff. Let's look at the settings, and let's go to about the phone. It's running over Android version 8.1, so that's actually a good thing. Latest version of Oreo that we are getting. And if we go back, actually, let's see the storage out of that 128 gigabytes. So for storage, we have to go into actually more settings, and it's here in the storage. As you can see, out of that 128, it says about 19.14 GB is sort of used. So roughly about 108 gigabytes of storage will be available if you opt for the 6 gigabyte RAM variant. And as you can see, this is the 6 gigabyte RAM variant, and out of that, almost 4.1 gigabytes is sort of free. And it also has quite a few options, as you can see, race to wake and all those things. So it does have a lot of options in the UI. As you can see, initial impressions, it's very responsive. The phone, again, the Helio P60 chipset is a fast chipset, and it also has that Arbo assistant. And let's check the fingerprint scanner on this one. As you can see, it is really fast. The moment you actually touch this, it unlocks. And by the way, guys, it also has the face unlocking. I didn't actually set it. You can go over here to the face unlocking option, and you can set up the face unlocking. And it also has IR blasters over here. As you can see, the notch is big because of that. Hence, due to that, even in pitch darkness, it works. Also, with this Pro version, we have wireless charging. So if you have a wireless charging pad and you just place it over there, it's supposed to charge. That's generally we don't find in mid-range devices. Nice to see that they have given that feature. Moving to special apps that are preloaded, as you can see, we have that Arbo Hub, which is that intelligent assistant. And when you first time set it up, it'll ask you a bunch of questions. And as you can see, now we got this, it's going to try to get relevant information automatically. And Panasonic guys say that the more you use your phone, it learns, so gives you contextual information easily and a glance. So that's the Arbo assistant that you get on this one. Now let's also quickly look at the camera on this one. It's the rear facing camera is 16 megapixel is the main, 5 is for the depth, and the front facing is 16. So let's quickly have a look at the camera. Let's see. So again, a custom UI interface, and automatically it's making the screen quite a bit bright when you open the camera interface. And you have all the toggles over here. Modes: photo, face, beauty. As you can see, night mode we have, video mode we have, that's the auto mode. And see, we have the tap to focus, and also we have this 1x and 2x zoom. As you can see, I'm just hit that 2x zoom, and the focusing speed is fast. Even with this 2x zoom, if you notice how fast it locked onto the focus, for example. As you can see, the focusing speed is fast. Let's look at the front facing camera also on this one. Let me bring my face here, as you can see. And by default, no beauty mode. But again, we have the face beauty option, and it definitely smoothened up my face, as you can see. Let's just go over here. What is this mode? Auto screen flash. Okay, that's for screen flashing and all these things. This is bokeh option. Okay. So we have that bokeh option even with the front facing camera. Nice to actually see that. Let me do one thing, guys. Let me actually take some sample shots with this device so that you can have a better idea regarding the camera performance. So here are some of the sample shots shot in artificial lighting conditions in my office. And as you can see, even in artificial lighting conditions, the camera performance is actually really good. Now moving to shots in outdoor conditions in my roof garden. Again, here as you can see, it is actually doing a pretty good job in terms of camera performance with the rear facing camera. I also like the fact that close-up macro shots actually come out really, really good on this smartphone, as you can see with these samples. So definitely the rear facing camera performance is very good. And here are some samples with the front facing camera, and we also have that portrait mode. So here is that portrait mode with the front facing camera, and as you can see, it's doing a good job. Here again, samples in artificial lighting with the front facing camera, and again portrait mode in artificial lighting with the front facing camera. So needless to say, the camera performance is actually good on this one. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at this Eluga X1 Pro smartphone. What do you guys think about this one? Do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, that's it for now for unboxing and first look at this Panasonic Eluga X1 Pro. If you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.